So it'd be great to get outside in the backyard and play fetch with your dog.
You can practice with that poor Kiwi, poor dog. But yes, very warm start to the day today. Let's take a look at what we do have going on. This is our almanac. This is where we normally are this time of year. 47 degrees is our average low. We are nowhere near that. We're actually closer to our average high of 69 degrees. And so we will be seeing averages closer to the average. That's by Friday behind the cold front. But in the meantime, we are well above average. And rainfall, well below average as well. We're almost 3 inches now below where we should be for the year of 2014. And keep in mind, we're not even 2 months into it completely. So 68 degrees for us here in Victoria, 63 in Dallas. This warm, moist air is extending well inland, 63 in Memphis, 59 in Jackson. This is all ahead of that cold front that moves through tomorrow afternoon. It will bring severe weather, at least a slight risk of it for portions of the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys and other places in the southeast. For us, we're really not expecting that. So here's future track showers out east of us. We'll be seeing some cloud cover today, about a 10% chance for a shower. But as the day moves on, partly cloudy skies. And then by tomorrow, here's your cold front. The showers and heavy rain are not in the viewing area. Unfortunately, we're not going to be seeing a lot of rainfall. We got about a 20% chance for a shower, and rainfall totals are less than 1/10 of an inch. So here's your front moving through right around 3 p.m. I'll continue to keep this into motion for you. And look what happens as this front shifts out towards the west. All of these oranges and yellows, this is the squall line that's right along that cold front. So we'll be looking at that tomorrow for a risk of severe weather. That's a slight risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center. That's all the yellow shaded areas. Once again, this is not for today. This is for tomorrow. So if you are traveling to these areas, keep that in mind as you're driving around. So for today, well, really very warm day. 80 degrees for your high. Patchy morning fog. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Once the fog lifts that we are seeing, we'll be seeing partly cloudy skies. Then for tonight, 64 degrees for your overnight low. Cloudy skies. South-southeasterly winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, cold front moves through, so temperatures will be falling, but 76 degrees before that. 20% chance for a shower, maybe a thunderstorm. And here are the next few days. 20% chance of rain tomorrow. By Friday, that's when the temperatures start to return toward their normal. 70 degrees for the high on Friday, 46 degrees for your overnight low. And then look at the next couple of days. Warming back up through the weekend, 75 degrees by Saturday, 76 degrees by Sunday, and then a slight chance of rain to start next week with another cold front that moves through.
Okay, so no severe weather here in our area, but again, you said if you're traveling, then something to take a look at in those areas.
And this also brings about something else I wanted to talk about. The fact that we are seeing severe weather in other parts of the country means that ever so closely we're creeping closer to severe weather season. So there's actually a storm spotter class on Friday at UHV. It's from 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. It's at Alcorn Auditorium at University West, the UHV West building. So I did want to mention that. I'll post a link to this on my Facebook page, but this is just so people out in the community know what to see, know how to tell the difference between what's a tornado and what isn't, and then they can call it into the Weather Service and help issue warnings.
Okay, so if you're interested in that, then you can head out there on Friday. So not there yet, but we are getting close to severe weather
Something
season.
to be thinking about, yeah.
All right, well, thanks a lot, Kate. Well, stay with us. It's just a few minutes before